Hello everyone, in this video I'm just going to quickly install the VirtualBox in a Kali Linux. So let's do that quickly. So I'm going to share this link where I'm going, and it just gives you all the recommended steps that you need. So I'm going to start with importing an app repository. So let's go to my command window. Let's go to a blank page and let's look at the Kali version that I'm using. It's a 2019 Kali release. It's a Kali rolling. So the first thing I'm just going to add this command. This is wget. I'm already using the root. You can use any other account you like that has the root privilege. So this one is going to add this repository to this key, apt key. Okay, and it says okay, so that's good. So let's add the second one. This simple again. You just run the command. You're just adding some repo. That's done, and then add the VirtualBox repository. Again, I'm just gonna copy this, double click on it, copy, and run this command. So this is actually adding this this line, and if you see what is going sudo t etc, it's gonna show you what it just did. Okay, so there we go. So it's echoing, so it's writing this line and also printing this message back to the screen what it just wrote. So you got that done. Now you can install the VirtualBox. Every single time before you install, you just need to update your repo so it knows what's available to you. So you quickly run the sudo apt update, so it's doing its job. So it's something happened over there and it did not do its job. Does not have a release file. Update such repository can be done securely and either disabled by default, so that's a problem. Okay, let's see if this one is available. Most likely this is gonna fail. It's saying this is the latest. Let's see if this is gonna work for me or not. Okay, so this one sudo apt install VirtualBox virtual extended pack. Okay, so this one, it's saying that following new packages will be installed if we want to do that, and you just read whatever you have here. So let's see if we say yes and see what happens. Okay, it looks like it's getting all of the libraries that's required for a VirtualBox. It's downloading all of that, and 47 MB is already done. It looks like it's doing the trick just fine. Configure VirtualBox extension pack. I just say okay, hit enter. Okay, you press tab to go there, and then you hit enter. Do you accept the terms and conditions for the VirtualBox PUEL license? Yeah, why not? Let's do that. Yes. So now the download is in progress, so let's see what happens. Okay, now it's installing. You got everything that you needed. It's 31% done. Come on Kali Linux. Okay, 45%, 72%. It's almost done. It's getting there. As soon as it's done, we're just gonna test, make sure the tool is available to us, and we'll call it a day. And you can use the VirtualBox for anything you want. Alright, 72% is taking, it's doing something, it's thinking, building the initial module for 4.19.0 Kali AMD 64. Alright, let's give it one more minute. Let's see what's going on with my recording. Come on, Kali. Okay, still recording just fine. Okay, let's go back to the terminal again. So it's still doing my 72%. It's doing something by the initial module for 5.2.0 Kali 3 AMD. Okay, so it's still doing something. I see there's some error that's coming up. VirtualBox.q running module version sanity check, and it's saying missing module or file name. So I'm expecting some problem with the install. Kind of what we saw there was something was missing when we just tried at the beginning. So let's see what happens. Just give me a couple more minutes, and just to review what we have. VirtualBox.ko running module for sanity check, error missing modules. So probably it's not, it didn't find something that it wanted. So original module, no original module exists in the control. So what it did, most likely installing to that lib modules 4.19.0 Kali 4 AMD64 update. It's may have installed that to solve the problem, okay, which is intelligent way of solving a problem. Let's see what we have. Then it's just doing a lot of sanity check. So as soon as it's detecting that it's something is missing, it looks like it's installing the missing module here. Okay, let's keep going down. Okay, so once it's install all of the components, it's it's continued the installation process, and we already accepted all the license file. So it's triggering all kinds of menus and MIME support and high color and genome menus and all of these. It's processing all those triggers, and if you look at it, it's almost 97% done now. And another thing you look at that it it successfully installed the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. So it looked the installation process that we have just done is pretty intelligent. It figured out what's missing, it installed the packages for you, it went to the internet, got everything, and look at that, it's all done. So you can do a echo dollar question mark just for another sanity check for yourself, and that's 0, so that's good. Now you can do var and then do the tab. Look at that, the VirtualBox is available as a command for me now. So let's do a enter and see if we have a running instance of VirtualBox with us at the moment or not. And voila, here we go. You have the most nice VirtualBox that you can now use to create hundreds and thousands of virtual machines that you want to use for your own environment. Well, don't do hundreds and thousands. If you're using a laptop, maybe 10. Okay, yeah, 10 should be good. All right. Okay, so next we'll probably be installing some Metasploit and configuring some instances like Windows 8, 10, and other Linux and Windows based systems just for testing. So thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it was useful, and it's pretty self-intuitive, so good luck with that, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.